Hello guys, I'm Adriana and today with the help of Leonardo we'll see this case of this Apple device iPhone 8 Plus that exploded when the client connected the charger. I had to say that's the first Apple device that comes in our workshop with this kind of problem. The client told us that the light ray crossed the device from the charger to the top part. Let's disassembly to check what we find inside. This device has been in another workshop before to try to save the data, but without success. Here we can observe that the short circuit takes place at the bottom part where the charging connector is and has tried to go out from the top part where we've got the antennas. Practically, he went through the entire device. We remove all the connectors and all the screws so we can extract the motherboard. We are going to do it fast, we are not going to waste time with these steps. On our YouTube channel you can find more turn downs if you need. Finally, we can remove the motherboard. Let's check what surprise it has prepared for us. Except the top part, where is it burned, the motherboard doesn't look so bad. Here is very affected. To try to recover this motherboard, we use the chemical product. It's very good to remove corrosion. Can be purchased on eBay Germany. Every year we spend a bottle of 5 liters. This chemical is mixed with distillate water in proportion of 95%. So that the impurity does not expand, we use a cotton cloth. In this way, the dirt gets trapped between the two cloths. The idea is to try to remove all the short circuits from the motherboard. For that, we have to clean the area very well. In order to give a bit of shine to the motherboard, we use contact cleaner. The motherboard looks like this, with a big hole. In less than a second, you can please give me a strong like and share this tutorial, so I will continue with this kind of real repairs from our workshop. Thank you! Because of the high temperature, the solder lid has molten. We are going to check the charging area. Everything is burned, nothing can be recovered. Our next step is to inspect all the FPC connectors. The FPC connectors seems to be in good condition. Finally, after so many bad news, we've got some good one. Let's insert some voltages to the motherboard with the help of the power supply. If you are a technician, you cannot miss these cables and the power supply from your workshop. Here in Spain, with the cost of the repair of one Apple device, you can have enough to buy both tools. Below, in the description of this tutorial, I will leave you the purchase links. Let's put the voltage and the amperage of the battery. We just have to press the button switched on. Also, I recommend you to check the tutorial of how to make these cable indestructibles, only applying a specific adhesive. The motherboard seems to be working correctly, so let's edit the screen. The truth is that from the beginning I didn't expect it. The damage seems very strong. Our final conclusion today is that as a technician you should never give up and always try to find the solution. If your repair has no solution, you catch more experience and throughout the years you'll repair more quickly any device.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them...
Guys, he's Leonardo, this was today's videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. All the best.
Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't